After uploading your data file, you will be brought to this screen. On this screen, we will be selecting which data will be displayed in our temperature profile. So to begin that process, you will see in this table down here the data from your Excel or CSV file displayed in this window here. And then we will have a number of drop-down menus that we need to select in order to determine which data will be displayed in our graph. For the first row of data, this is the time zero. So this is the point at which you want the temperature units displayed to begin. So you can do this in one of two ways. You can either click this drop-down menu and select the row that you would like, or you can click on the row drop-down arrow over here. So this thermal process in the demo data set begins at minute 0, so I will select row 2 as my data start row. For my unit of time, I would like for this data set to use minutes. However, if you only have clock time displayed in your data set, you are able to select clock time as well. For our time data, once again, we can either select from this drop-down menu up here. In this case, I will click column D, because this is the column in which I have minutes entered. And then we will need to input our dry bulb temperature, our wet bulb temperature, and then our product core temperature and product surface temperatures. So I will click on these arrows and it will allow me to set them appropriately. So for my core temperature, I will set as core column. For my surface temperature, I will set as a surface column. The hydrated surface lethality calculator can be used just to generate thermal profiles without estimating pathogen lethality. So you can also use this tool to generate graphs for a dry bulb and wet bulb temperature only. You do not need to have product temperatures included in your data set in order to generate a graph. Once we've selected all of the appropriate items, we will hit Generate Graph. That will return us to the home screen where we began this process initially. To view our graph, we will then go over to the Actions drop-down here, and we're going to click the View button.